Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. 1 minus 6 times 3 minus 6 in parentheses. Subscribe to our channel for more. 1 minus 6 equals negative 5. 3 minus 6 equals negative 3. Now, negative 5 times negative 3 equals positive 15. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. So according to the PEMDAS that is here in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve with first, not this multiplication and this subtraction. If you do this multiplication and this subtraction first, it is wrong. So we have to start with this parenthesis. 3 minus 6 gives us negative 3. Let's rewrite the expression. We had 1 minus 6. We have one multiplication here and negative 3. Now, in next step, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and higher priority than addition and subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first, not this subtraction. 6 times negative 3 gives us negative 18. At the end, we have 1 minus negative 18. Negative times negative equals positive, and 1 plus 18 gives us 19. So our final answer to this expression is 19. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.